Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface set at an angle, or it's an incline with no moving parts. It's able to lift objects by pushing it or pulling it in order to gain some kind of mechanical advantage. I'll give you an example here. Let's say that Phineas needs to get this anvil here on a shelf. He can get it on the shelf that's up here on the right, or he can get it on the shelf that's on the left. Each shelf is 10 foot high. This anvil weighs 60 pounds. If he were to take this anvil and just lift it straight over his head, and his arms were to magically elongate, to get it on this shelf, he would need to be able to use 60 pounds of force to do that, which is quite a feat for Phineas because he probably doesn't even weigh 60 pounds himself. Another option that he has is to get on the shelf on the left. Doing that, he can take this anvil and he can push it up this plane. By pushing it up this plane, he does not have to use 60 pounds of force. He can use a lot less force than that. Now, the trade-off is, even though he's using less force, he has to go a greater distance. In the inclined plane's case, he has to go 30 feet. Lifting it over his head, he only has to go 10 feet. So the work that he's doing is identical, but the amount of effort that he needs to use using the inclined plane is going to be less. So, to sum up, using the inclined plane, he's able to use less effort, but go a greater distance. Not using the inclined plane, he has to use more effort and go a less distance.